Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can convert PNG to vector in Photoshop. So first step, you simply need to select this layer by clicking on this control. Here you can see that once you select it, then you need to click on this rectangle marquee tool, select that, then you need to click here the right mouse cursor, and here you can see different options. You simply need to select the option that is make work path and make sure that the tolerance is 1. Click on OK. So here you can see that a path is created. Once it is created, you simply need to come here and click on direct selection tool. Once you select it, click here the right mouse cursor, and here you can see option of create vector mask. Over here you can see different options, so you simply need to select this option, create vector mask. So and once here you can see that it is created, then you need to hit the enter. Now you simply need to click on Ctrl T to select this, and you can make it bigger, smaller, or it is up to you how you can play around with this. So this is the easy process. Here you can see that this is the easy process by which you can create vector mask in Photoshop. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.